Okay guys, we made it down to the site here. We're all hooked up. Got plenty of room, right? There's plenty of space. Anyway, so yeah, I mean the truck's down like 3 to 6 inches from there. We're in a hole, we're in a beast of a hole there. We're gonna run a 2-to-1 line back here. I'm gonna get that set up. All right guys, we got some success here. As you see, the camper has been moved. Sank in a couple spots there. Use the winch to help guide it out so I didn't spin the tires. Got to use some mat track, some wood, floor jack, a little bit of everything. Now we just have to get it out of this tight maze and hit the road. So got further than 15 minutes than we did an hour and a half last time I was here, so sweet. Alright guys, so we got that, the camper's done. I think it was a Sportsman, I don't even know. I think it was a Sportsman model, old model. So that's delivered. That guy is super happy. He's been waiting for that camper for months. He's had some stuff going on. You know, the weather hasn't been in our favor to go in the back 40 of that guy's property. The property owner came out and chatted. Cool guy as well, thankfully, you know. Like, hey, I'm trying to do my best to not tear your yard up. And he's like, I don't even care. He's like, do you see my yard? He's like, I'm going to tear it up some more anyways with my Bobcat. I'm like, whatever. So yeah, we went with our game plan. It worked out good. The camper happened to have a receiver hitch welded to the frame. So we threw our shackle hitch in the back of that, and we ran a 2-to-1 line off my brother's truck. That winch is 13.5, so there was more than enough pulling power. Got everything pulled up out of its muddy hole that it was in. And then we readjusted the winch line since we didn't need all that pulling power to a single line because it's quicker for one. And I just hooked up the ram since I've got the factory helical limited slip versus, and my truck is lighter than the Duramax. So I had a couple extra things going for me. Yeah, got it out of the hole. Everything went perfectly smooth. Basically, it was a one-shot deal. Got it out, and everything was good. Set the tow haul, set the cruise. It was about 30 minutes of the drop off. Everything went well. Got paid, of course. So that's how it was supposed to go the first time. Back in, I don't know, it was like February, March the first time I tried to move it, but oh well, you saw, I had a video up about that, I think, a few months back, but anyways, so that job is done. I've got another job already lined up coming for the following Saturday coming up. There's going to also be another 2-man, 2-truck job. Guy's moving he's out of Michigan. Guy's moving. He's like, I got a work truck, I got my daily truck, which I haven't drove in years, and he's got an enclosed trailer. He was essentially looking for like a hotshot driver with a 53-foot step deck, or like a really like a 40, at least a 40-foot gooseneck, and he was just gonna put the truck and the trailer all up there at once. But I don't think from the pictures I got between his truck and his trailer, I don't think a 40-footer would be long enough. I think a 53-foot step deck would be what he'd need. But so I'm just gonna go down there. He found me. He just Googled me and found my info. So So we're just gonna show up with 2 trucks and a car trailer, put his old truck on my trailer, and we're just gonna hook up to his car trailer and convoy to his house and deliver that. Price point's okay. Might twist his arm for a little bit more, but we'll see. Since I am running 2 trucks this time instead of just one truck, perfectly, price is good. 2 trucks, I don't know, we'll see. See if I can get him to go a little more. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's Sunday, so got nothing else in the books for Sunday. I don't even know if I feel like doing any side gig apps at this point. Just gonna get things cleaned up, get the trucks organized. Just call it a day. Enjoy the weather. It's a nicer day in Ohio today. We're only at 82 today. We've been hovering in the mid-90s for the last 7 days. So, yep. I'll bring you guys along.